the IELTS writing module becoming an obstacle for you? Want to practice with the best IELTS writing app? Don't worry, your search ends now. Introducing the all-new IELTS Writing App. Here's what you can do with the IELTS Writing App. Practice with free essays from IELTS Academic and General Task 2. Refer model answer before you start. Start writing or upload your answer. Evaluate your essay by IELTS experts and improve your writing and practice with free letters from IELTS General Task 1. And graph, table, map, chart and diagram questions from IELTS Academic Task 1. Refer model answer and comments before you begin. Watch latest videos to learn essential tips and strategies directly from the experts. Stay connected with other IELTS aspirants to know every update. To seek information conveniently, read the latest IELTS blogs. Download IELTS Writing App now. Sign up and start your preparation.